So I think the day has finally come. Been waiting. Today we're putting in the DEPO headlights for the 350. Should be pretty easy from what I've seen. You just unbolt some things, you switch some wires, and you know, that should be it. Really want to put in those headlights because the ones that I have look so ugly, man. And I've been waiting on these for I've been waiting on them to be in stock for months. So the fact that I finally have them and I still haven't installed them, I'm just like, I'm lagging it. So let's get to it. Hopefully we can get it done quick, about an hour. So let's see how it goes. You can see how ugly they are. It's like moisture inside. The plastic is all messed up. So I think it's time for a change, man. Alright, you guys, so we managed to get one headlight out. Pretty straightforward. Clips are a little bit sticky, bolts are a little bit rusted, so that takes a little bit of time, but overall the process is super simple. So I'm gonna put the new stuff in the new headlight, and I'm gonna do the other one. So as mentioned, I did have to get a new ballast for this side. Just in here. And I got new bulbs as well. The bulbs are not OEM. I got them a little bit brighter, a little bit more white, but they're not super bright either. This should be a nice little upgrade from the OEM ones. So the seal that came with the aftermarket ballast, it's a little cheap, it's a little flimsy. I bought Nissan OEM ones so that I could use these instead. These feel a lot better. That way I could probably get a better seal with these. Definitely get a better seal. I mean, look at that. This is way thinner and way less sturdy, so. Wish I could have gone with OEM ballast, but they were in back order and I really wanted to get this project out of the way. Alright boys, so I put one headlight in, connected it, and now, moment of truth, see if that one works. Woo! Let's go! No more ugly headlights. So real quick, the reason why I wanted to change the headlights is obviously because the OEM ones were messed up. They were all foggy, condensation inside, so you know they weren't sealed anymore. And I was like, all right, I need new headlights. The OEM ones, crazy expensive. So I was like, damn, I don't want to cash out that much on new headlights. But DEPO makes some $500 ones, which I'll be honest, didn't feel up to par compared to the OEM ones quality wise, but they will do the job. I will try to keep them protected and clean so that they last me a long time. Another reason why I wanted to change headlights is because one of the ballasts on the right side headlight, water got in there and it messed up, and the headlight didn't work. And let me show you guys how that ballast looks now. Look at that thing. Whew. Disgusting. So water got in there, messed up the ballast, and now the headlight didn't work. And this is, so I had to buy a new ballast for that one. This is the OEM ballast on the other headlight, and look how good of a job it did at sealing it. It looks pretty much brand new. It's crazy. So thankfully I didn't have to buy another ballast, but yeah, that's another reason why I wanted to change headlights looks, and because one of them was actually not working. So that's pretty much it. Let's get back to it. Alright, now that they're in, let's do some testing before we bolt everything back up. See if they work. Mwah, beautiful. High beams are working as well, so everything's good to go. Time to bolt everything back up, clean up because it's a mess in here, and call it a day. That wasn't too bad. Definitely not as frustrating as the suspension work we've been doing. Well guys, yet another install that starts during the daylight and goes all the way till dark. But at least we got it done. You know, there's no tomorrow. We'll continue. It's done. It's a wrap. And the headlights are on. It's dark and I can't even really see them, but right off the bat, that really looks so good. Making the Z pretty little by little, day by day. But that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. Headlight install. I'm thinking of doing a DEPO headlight to OEM headlight review because there are some things that I'm kind of like iffy about. Hopefully the DEPOs last a long time. But for now, they look good. I don't mind them. See ya.